Welcome back to my channel. I'm truly happy you are here today. If you are new here, you are welcome to this family where we talk about love, healing, relationships, marriage, growth, and real-life lessons. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share it with someone who needs encouragement today. And leave a comment below about your experience, or what you have learned from relationships. So your support helps this message reach more hearts that need healing. Today we are going to talk about relationships, marriage, conflicts, forgiveness, emotional healing, and how couples can rebuild love after misunderstandings. So take a deep breath, relax your mind, open your heart, and let's begin this journey together. Chapter 1. Understanding that conflict is normal. Every relationship experiences disagreements. Two people from different backgrounds, different emotions, and different expectations cannot agree on everything all the time. Arguments do not always mean that love is ending. Sometimes arguments happen because people care deeply and want to be understood. The real problem is not conflict itself, but how couples handle conflict. When anger takes control, words become weapons, and silence becomes distance. Learning that disagreements are normal helps couples stop fearing conflict and start learning from it. Chapter 2. The real reasons. Couples fight. Many couples think they are arguing about small issues like money, time, or chores, but often the real problem is emotional pain. People fight because they feel ignored, unappreciated, insecure, or misunderstood. Stress from work, family pressure, or personal struggles can also enter the relationship and create tension. Instead of asking who is right, couples should ask how they can understand each other better. Listening is more powerful than proving a point. Chapter 3. Dangerous decisions to avoid during arguments. When emotions are high, the brain is not calm enough to make wise decisions. Never make permanent decisions in temporary anger. Avoid saying hurtful words like, "I'm done forever," or threatening divorce. During small arguments, do not bring up past mistakes to win today's fight. Avoid insulting your partner's personality or dignity. Decisions made in anger often create regret that lasts much longer than the argument itself. Chapter 4. Learning to pause instead of react when conflict begins. Take a moment to breathe before responding. Silence for a few seconds can prevent years of pain. Instead of shouting, try lowering your voice. Instead of interrupting, allow your partner to finish speaking. A calm response shows emotional maturity and helps both people feel safe during difficult conversations. Chapter
5. Communication that heals, instead of hurts. Use "I feel" statements instead of "you always" accusations. Say, "I feel hurt when this happens," rather than "you never care about me." Healthy communication focuses on expressing emotions without attacking character. Respectful words build bridges, while harsh words destroy trust. Chapter 6. The power of listening with empathy. Listening is not waiting for your turn to speak. True listening means understanding the emotions behind the words. Look at your partner's eyes, acknowledge their feelings, and repeat what you heard to show you understand. Empathy creates emotional safety and reduces defensiveness. Chapter 7. Forgiveness as a path to healing. Forgiveness does not mean ignoring pain or pretending nothing happened. Forgiveness is choosing to release anger so your heart can be free again. Holding on to resentment is like carrying heavy emotional weight every day. Forgiveness allows couples to rebuild emotional connection and move forward with renewed strength. Chapter 8. Apologizing with honesty and responsibility. A sincere apology includes accountability without excuses. Saying, "I'm sorry you feel that way," is not a real apology. Instead, say, "I am sorry for my actions. I understand how they hurt you and I want to change." Change is the strongest form of apology. Chapter 9. Protecting each other's emotional safety. Couples should create boundaries during arguments such as no shouting, no name-calling, no threats, and no public humiliation. Emotional safety builds trust and helps partners feel respected even during disagreements. Chapter 10. Marriage requires daily effort. Marriage is not sustained by big romantic gestures alone. It is built through daily respect, patience, kindness, and understanding. Small acts of appreciation strengthen emotional bonds and remind partners that they are valued. Chapter 11. Rebuilding trust. After hurt, trust does not return overnight. Consistent actions over time rebuild confidence. Show reliability, honesty, and patience. Avoid repeating behaviors that caused pain. Trust grows slowly but becomes strong when nurtured with care. Chapter 12. Healing after breakups. Breakups can feel like losing a part of yourself. Allow yourself to grieve and reflect. Avoid rushing into new relationships just to escape loneliness. Healing requires time, self-reflection, and emotional growth. Chapter 13. When reconciliation is possible. If both partners have grown and are willing to change, reconciliation can be powerful. Honest conversations, sincere apologies, and consistent behavior help rebuild connection. Reconciliation should come from growth, not fear of being alone. Chapter 14. Managing anger in healthy ways. Exercise, journaling, prayer, meditation, and talking to trusted mentors can help release anger safely. Suppressed emotions often explode later, so express feelings in calm and respectful ways. Chapter 15. The importance of patience. Real love grows through challenges. Patience allows couples to navigate difficult seasons without giving up too quickly. Strong relationships are built by people who stay committed to learning and improving together. Chapter 16. Avoiding emotional manipulation. Love should never involve threats, guilt-tripping, or controlling behavior. Healthy love respects freedom and individuality. Manipulation destroys trust and damages emotional well-being. Chapter 17. Growing individually while loving together. Healthy couples support each other's personal goals and dreams. Individual growth strengthens the relationship and creates mutual respect. Chapter 18. Reconnecting emotionally after conflict. Spend quality time together again. Laugh together, talk about dreams, share positive memories, and rebuild friendship. Friendship is the foundation of long-lasting love. Chapter 19. Choosing kindness every day. Love is not just a feeling, but a daily decision to act with kindness. Gentle words, supportive gestures, and thoughtful actions keep relationships alive even during stressful times. Chapter 20. Final message of hope and growth. Every strong relationship has survived difficult moments. The difference between broken relationships and lasting love is the willingness to learn, forgive, and grow together. Choose patience over pride. Choose understanding over blame. Choose healing over ego. Love is not about never arguing. It is about never giving up on understanding each other. Thank you for being part of this journey today. If this message touched your heart, please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment to help others find healing and encouragement too. Until next time, take care of your heart, respect your partner, and continue growing together.